Alright, back with another trade recap. And today, actually, alright, well, first off, I slept in because I was up back testing till 3 a.m. last night, or I didn't get to bed until like 3 a.m. So I slept in and missed the whole AM session, which is, I guess I learned my lesson. Don't stay up till 3 a.m. back testing. Um, and I'm actually gonna mark out AM session. Um, 9:30. Close enough. All right. So I slept in during the AM session, because I was up too late. But I traded PM session for, I guess, the first time really ever, and it didn't go too bad. You can see my P&Ls. I'm not looking at this, obviously. I was saying that last video. P&L is green, but it's because of a break even, so it's not that much. Not that much. But as you can see, look at this. I'll get into that later. But for now, PM session. So or AM session. I woke up and I saw AM session was pretty much just a straight rally. I got on the charts at 10 my so about like 12 o'clock. So I got on the charts around here. And pretty much what I saw. Well, let me get to my buys first. I said I'm bullish to mark the highs because it looks like a clear market maker buy model, which I still think like these highs right here, obviously. But um do this real quick. But let me actually do this splash real quick. Oh, incorrect. But heck. Let me put this in real quick. Alright, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so I was bullish, but after AM session, what did I just do? After AM session made this crazy just pump, I mean, it's got to be a retracement at some point, right? Like, yeah, so there's got to be a retracement at some point. So I was looking around. I can get rid of this. I was just looking for some. I was looking around. I wrote that. I'll get into this a little bit later. So, we kind of pushed through these gaps right here. I'll show you like over here. We pushed through like some 15 minutes over here. A little hourly right here, and then we eventually hit this hourly gap, which was also a 15-minute gap right here. And once we tap the 15-minute gap, which is marked out like that, we had a very strong reaction down to here. Inverse this gap, came down, CISD right there. I got a pretty good fill because I got it when it came back up a bit. So I got a good fill. I guess I'll turn on executions to show my fill. Go chart execution, save. um, so minus two at 46 and 47. So it just averaged out to 46.5. So 46.5, 46.5. So I got a pretty good fill. Stop above there. And my take profit was here, but I, and this is something, okay, so price came down, went all the way back up, not stop me break even, because I didn't move to break even, came back down, came up a little bit, came down, and once it swept this, I moved stop to break even, and my reasoning behind it was just because how bearish price was, or how bullish price was, all day. So I was like more of a risky trade, and right as I entered it, I said this is a bad trade because at the moment, like, this is all I saw, just a straight pump. So I wrote this is a bad trade, because that's how I was feeling. I guess I felt like it was a bad trade, but obviously it was a very good trade. But I guess I'm learning. But then price came back down, swept this. I went break even there. And then I got caught at break even on the trade right there. And then look, price just absolutely. I could have had a maybe like 7. I wouldn't have held that long, obviously, but could have been a pretty crazy trade. But I'm not mad because I'm learning about break evens a lot more. Because if we go back to yesterday, let me make sure everything's working. All right, so if we go back to not yesterday, if we go back to I guess yesterday, my backtesting session. If we go here, look at this, good trade, hit my bus, and this trade got stop break even, and it would have ran. This trade got stop break even when it ran, so that's 2 trades. That trade was just a loss. This trade got stop break even, so like 3 trades that would have got stop break even ran. And yeah, it's just been happening so much that it's like, and then right after it happens in backtesting, it happens in live market. So it's like, I mean, maybe be looser might break even. So I think I'm gonna, well, cause let's see, price went down to, I guess this would be the max, so like 1 hour before my break even, and yeah, I mean, I guess I could take profit at 1 hour, but I didn't really want to. But yeah, so I'm kind of figuring out break evens more now. I'm getting some good data on it, so that's good. But besides that, what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I didn't. So this like I'm still expecting price to go up for the rest of the day. Towards this high. I think this is just gonna be a reversal. We did come out of that gap a little bit, but it wasn't too clean because we didn't have a remanipulation leg on either indices, so there wasn't a change till all the way up there. So I didn't really like it too much, and I stopped trading around like I don't know, there-ish. I don't know. But that's really it for today. I guess I learned my lesson not to stay up till 3 a.m. backtesting, or else I'll sleep in through AM session. But AM session didn't really look too good. Let me see if there's any 15-minute gaps off AM. Yeah, like literally. What is that? 9:30 right there. Yeah, there's like pretty much nothing. No taps on the 15-minute or the hourly. So, yeah. So I guess I didn't miss out much, but I can't do that. I mean, that's the first time I've done that in like months, so I can't be doing that. So, yeah. I guess that's it for this video. I'm gonna upload this, and then I'm gonna get right back into this 3rd week of January back testing. And then I'll make that. So yeah, that's it for today.